Can you see how they look so dirty? And I have to clean it very good. That's maintenance. So your bill doesn't come so expensive and it's breathing correctly and it's not that dirty. And it's gonna last for more time. You see that soap? So strong. It's gonna clean all the dirt. If your unit looks like this, call us. You see after how it's gonna look? So dirty. That's why you see all that building, all that bill, all that is dirt. See, looks dirty. So after later on, it's gonna look cleaner. Call us. We can do 2 times a year maintenance. We take our time. We do a very good job.